my beautiful ladies, welcome back, and I am back with another interesting new launch. This is the new launch of Good Vibes, the Rose Glow Toner, and I shall be showing you this product in this video. Let me tell you, Good Vibes has launched many stuffs recently. They have launched many varieties of scrubs, new additions on the mask, creams, shampoos. They have launched the hair removal cream and this rose toner. This is one of the new launches, and the lovely part is they also have the lip scrub and the lip balm, which I'm yet to try, but amazingly, you know, the products look so good. Whatever products I have used from Good Vibes, they work wonders, and it's all very safe and suitable for all skin types. And you know, they have come up with such lovely products and so lovely. They have added so many new additions, and you know, it's so tempting to try them all. Good Vibes been progressing it very fast with so many new products and new additions in the family, and this is one of the new launch which I thought let me review this. And let me tell you, toners are very good for the oily skin texture. Whoever has the oily skin texture and you get a lot of pimples, trust me, toners works wonders. My skin is oily skin, and I get a lot of pimples if I don't you know, if I go out in the pollution, or if I don't wash my face twice or thrice, or if I apply any cosmetics, my skin just reacts immediately. And for sure, if I apply makeup, I need to remove it soon. That's why I avoid using makeup that much, because the reason is my skin is really very sensitive, really very sensitive, and I get pimples if I wear makeup for too long. And for any pollution, it just reacts like anything. That's why the best breather, I could say, just like that, I came across toners in the subscription box and I started using it, and I found that dried my pimples, and slowly and gradually I started having a clear skin, and my I could see the reduction in the pimples. I realized that yeah, toner works wonders. Why don't you try? This was a small tip for everybody who has the oily skins. Go try out. And toners are the safest thing, you know. They don't harm your because they are not heavy chemically built. So toners are just amazing. Toners has made my skin look fresh, clean, neat, and the most important part is they have given me relief on my pimples. And when I saw the new launch of Good Vibes, the Rose Toner, I thought, why not try this? So I have purchased this one, Rose Glow Toner. As of now, there is only one toner of Good Vibes. That's the Rose Glow Toner. I'm just hoping they add a few more flavors in this, a few more additions. I'm just waiting. When will they add more toners? So this is the first one, and let's see. The bottle is a spray bottle. It's a plastic bottle. The packaging is like always. They have this golden look always near the neck of the bottles, and the product is of 120 ml. And the worth of the product is 175 rupees. Obviously on purplle.com you will get this for lovely discount. Each and every time there would be some or the other discounts running, so you can grab this for discounted price. Definitely it won't be 175. Obviously you'll get this for low price. And these are the ingredients here. This is the lovely bottle, very easy to use, a spray bottle. Let me tell you about the smell. This smells like a gulab gel, and here is this easy knob where we can spray, and this is the toner. Okay, this smells exactly like the gulab jal which we get in the market, the other gulab jals which we get in the market. And this is a well absorbable, see, and this is how it is. So let me just do the R&D. So this is how it comes. So this is the toner. So if you have liked this video, go click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected, and I shall be back soon with another interesting video, another review and unboxing soon. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and I shall meet you soon. Bye.